Alright folks, we're doing hydro service after the break-in period on this Swisser, but you know, with anything that has the any type of hydro unit, this is the hydro gear. I believe this is like a 2800, but first thing you need to do is open up this fill. This is where you're going to fill it. There's a reservoir on top, but that's not where you actually fill it. It's this little plug right there. You want to make sure this is actually a 1/4 inch Allen. So then you break it and then make sure that opens, and I've already done that. And then what you want to do is, after you've done that, you can come down to the bottom here, okay? And if I can get this thing to actually stay. Okay, there we go. Sorry, okay. There we go, okay, right there. Okay. Alright, what I've already done is, there is a cover, okay? That goes on the bottom of this. You want to take the cover off, exposes the filter, okay? I got some Sten's filter for this, but you can use the Hydrogel filter or any of the other filters that you want that is compatible with this, okay? I'm going to try to use an oil filter type of wrench to get this thing loose. I'm hoping it'll come loose, I don't know. So let's see if it works. And just wrapping it around here. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to use something else, okay? So let's see. There we go. Okay, come on, me. There we go. Now it's got the grab on it. So these are original. There's only about 50 hours on this mower, believe it or not, or less than 100, I should say. And let's see if I can get this loose. If not, we're gonna have to do it the other way. There we go. I think I see it moving a little bit. And these are on tight from the factory. Oh my. Oh yeah, that's on tight. Alright, so we're gonna, once we open this, we're gonna let the filter drain out. Oh, fudge. That is on there super tight. You can tell I've actually bent the filter. Oh man, that's not good. So I got a pan under here, and we're just gonna let this thing drain out. It should be about 2 quarts. There we go. And that's nice and dark, and we're just gonna change that. All right. I'm just going to let that completely drain out. We'll just give it a little while, and we'll be back when we do the install. Okay, I've been letting it drip for a while, and I think we're down to the last little bits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this off a little bit. Alright, and this takes a Hydrogear 52114. I got a Sten's, and it meets that hydro oil standard, so I'm going to use it. And I'm going to try to get this thing on as tight as possible, hand tight. Hopefully it'll be okay. And I'm really going to try to get it on. Okay, that should do it. Okay. I oiled the gasket just like we should. And I just want to make sure it's on pretty good, so we don't have any problem. Alright, there we go. That's on pretty tight. And now we're going to come over here and fill with about 2 quarts with oil. We're using 20W50, which is an equivalent oil for this hydro unit. So that's what we're going to do. Give me a second to set up for that. Alright, I'm going to take the cap off here, and I'm going to fill it with approximately 2 quarts, if I can, of the oil here. I got a drip pan just in case, and I'm going to try for about 2 quarts if I'm lucky. Okay, let's see how well I do with this transfer pump. Alright, it looks like it's going in slow. I'm going to take the caps off the reservoirs. If I can do that, let's see if I can do that without killing myself. Okay, I took the reservoir caps off, and hopefully now there won't be as much, you know, pressure. I guess I made a mistake here. Let's see. Let's see. Oopsie daisy. That's too much. Let's see. Oopsie daisy. That popped out. That's not good. Okay. That's not good. I'm spilling more oil than I'm getting in, but the idea is that we gotta get 2 quarts of oil in there. Okay. Got about another quart to go. Okay. All right, it's dripping out, so I have, you can see that there's a nice steady drip. So now I'm putting the cap back on, and then we'll clean up the area, and then we will do the engagement of the forward and reverse to make sure everything is happy. So let's get to that. Okay, that's how we make sure that we bleed out here in the hydro system, and that's it. That hydro oil is changed now. I want to thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day. Bye now.